Today we're going to talk about installing more RAM into a Dell Latitude e7440. First thing you want to do is remove the power supply from the laptop and flip the laptop upside down. You then want to remove the battery by pushing this lever, and then the battery will lift up. You just pick it up and put it to the side. Next thing you want to do is take a screwdriver and remove the screw here and a screw over here. Okay, let's remove those screws. Once you remove the screws, you then want to slide this back panel right here towards you. Just a quarter of an inch, eighth of an inch, and it'll pop up, and you just take it, and you want to set it off to the side as well. Now here's our RAM. This particular computer has one stick of DDR3 4 gigs. We're going to replace that one and put another one in the empty slot. We're going to up it up to 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM. So to remove the RAM on this laptop, you're going to push these levers, these little arms on each side, outward, and the RAM will pop up. And then you just slide it out. Take the replacement RAM. You want to line the notches up. Sit the RAM in at an angle, such as this, and you just push down until you hear a click. Line the notch up, slide in, push down until you hear a little click. Then you take the top, put it back on. So this time slide away from you until the screw holes line up. It's not a lot of movement, so you don't have to worry about too much having to slide. And then you put the screws back in like before. Then you want to take the battery, put that back in place. This battery has a little lip on it, so you want to set the lip down and then drop the battery in, such as. And that's how you install more RAM into your Dell Latitude e7440.